Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's a good day, even though it's cold outside, but we're gonna do a upgrade that I've been wanting to do on our trail bike. So let's check out what we have. All right, so this is the seat clamp we're gonna use. It's a deity, and it's green. That'll match all our other accents that we have. So let's get it put on and see what she looks like. All right, so this is our trail bike, our Trek Fuel EX, and she looks great. She rides great. But see here, we're gonna put the new seat post clamp right there, and it's gonna look good. Now, I'm not really a bike mechanic, so I'm gonna take it into the shop because she has to go in for her maintenance. You get a free year tune-up at the shop, and they're gonna do all that because you got to disconnect the dropper post lever, and I don't want to mess with it. So yeah, let's take it into the shop and see what she looks like.
One eternity later.
We finally got her back, and she looks great. Huge thanks to Victorville Cycles for hooking us up. Wow, she looks great. So yeah, just a little touch on the seat post clamp. It gives it a little more green. And there you have her.